On a long road trip or simply traveling with a group of people, you need more than one charger, but USB and charging ports are limited in most vehicles. That's where the X5 charger comes in. The X5 USB car charger delivers lightning-fast charging speeds while supporting up to 5 devices at once. Its intelligent recognition technology identifies your device, adjusts to its capabilities, and delivers the fastest charge for that device. For example, charging a tablet and charging a smartphone aren't the same thing. No more having to constantly switch out phones and devices. You can purchase the X5 car charger for $24.99 at rapidx.io.
You depend on your car, and your car depends on you. But what if you could take your car's maintenance into your own hands? Introducing BAFX Bluetooth OBD Reader compatible with Android. With this device, you can detect any technical problems your car is experiencing. Simply plug it into your car's OBD port, then start your vehicle's engine. Finally, you'll want to pair the OBD reader with your phone via Bluetooth. Open up the Torque app and check your car's data. It's that easy. It allows you to check oxygen sensors, coolant temperature, fuel pressure, EVAP system pressure, fuel trim, intake air temp, and more. Mechanics cost hundreds of dollars, often overcharging us for routine, inexpensive operations. But with this reader, you can have peace of mind knowing exactly what's wrong with your car before you get it fixed. Or if you're handy, you'll be able to diagnose and fix it all by yourself. Don't play the guessing game with the mechanic. Analyze your car troubles for yourself. Gain full control of your vehicle with the Bluetooth OBD2 Reader by BAFX Products.
So today we're going to do it on this Nissan 350Z. As you can tell, it's not starting.
It's dead.
It's dead, so let's use this DB Power Jump Pack and try to start the car. Alright everyone, first step is you want to make sure that the car is in neutral if it's a manual and the e-brake is up. If it's an auto, you want to make sure that it's in park. As you can see, we have the jump pack here. It can remain off. The on is just to control the rest of these ports. And basically what I have here is are the jumper cables. As you can see, I don't have the positive and negative terminals connecting or touching. So what you do is just plug it in here. All right, make sure it's not touching. And then obviously we're gonna connect the positive terminal first over here. Squeeze it in there. All right, a little bit of corrosion. All right, and then the negative terminal here. As you can see, usually it blinks, but if the connection is good, it'll stay solid. All right, let's try starting the car up. So what we're gonna do is the manual, so put the clutch down all the way. See if we have any power. No power.
No power. So if that happens, sometimes this jumper pack gives you a warning This warning means that there's not enough voltage in the battery, so we gotta just go ahead and try it again. All right, go ahead, try it now, real quick.
Alright, so as you can see, the car started. Now we have to take off the jump pack and let the car run for a little bit so the battery charges. So first we put the positive on and then the negative. Now you want to do it in reverse order. So you take the negative off and then you take the positive off. Alright, once you take it off, obviously make sure they don't touch and then just disconnect it. There you have it. Alright, so now that the car is started, it's always good to take the car around for 15 to 30 minutes just to charge up the battery. But if you want to do a proper charge on the battery, you want to make sure that you take it out, take it to the store, or you can do it on a battery charger if you have one.